Master Blends, right?
Yeah, this Master Blends.
He got his own YouTube channel.
What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Master Blends Grilling and Cooking channel. Today we're gonna be making Asian smoked chicken. Ha! Stay tuned. All right, let's get started on this chicken. So today I'm gonna be making this Asian style whole chicken. This is a young chicken. It was about 4 pounds, I want to say, somewhere like 3.85 pounds, so a little smaller than 4 pounds. So I'm gonna make my version of an Asian style or Korean style chicken. This isn't authentic. This is just something I'm creating off the top of my head. So just stay tuned. Let's get into them seasonings. We're gonna be using this garlic and herb. Also gonna be using this Super Bird from Fire and Smoke. Gonna be using some crushed red peppers. Gonna be using this lemon stepper from AC Barbecue. Gonna be using just some Asian style sweet chili sauce. And I got this Kinder's sweet and spicy Korean sauce we're gonna be using. Okay, now that we got the seasonings out the way, we're gonna start off with the binder. So I'm actually gonna be using the Asian sweet chili as a binder and to lock in all those flavors. We're gonna go ahead and start with the bottom. This is butterfly style that I cut these. I cut this, was a whole chicken, just cut it up. So I'm actually gonna take this Asian sauce, gonna put some on here and rub it in. All right, go ahead and put some of that lemon pepper on there. That Super Bird. Garlic herbs. Red peppers. All right, we'll try to compact some of this in as we flip it over. Try to keep some of the seasonings falling. All right, do the same thing on the top side. All right, this is what it looks like after you cover it with all that seasoning. Take a look at that right there. Oh, you already know this is gonna be good. So we're gonna let this rest in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let all them seasonings soak into this chicken. Then it's gonna be time to throw it on that smoker. Catch you in a minute. All right, it's been about 33 minutes. It's time to put it on the smoker. I'm using a pellet grill. We're sitting at 275 degrees. Gonna go ahead and put the chicken smack dead in the middle. I'm gonna close this up. We're trying to reach 165 degrees. I'm gonna put a probe in the breast. Probably about every 30 minutes, I'm gonna come check on it. If it starts to darken up, I'll spray it with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and that's all it is to it. Catch y'all in a minute.
A few minutes later.
All right, my timer went off. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes. I'm loving the color, so I'm not gonna spray it just yet. We're gonna leave this in here for another 30 minutes. We're only sitting at about 85 degrees, so we got plenty of time to go. Catch y'all in a sec. All right, I had came outside at the 1 hour mark. The chicken had still looked the same, so I didn't record it. So now we at hour 2. We sitting at about 158, 160. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that Korean sweet spicy sauce on top, brush it on. Just like that, we're gonna leave this on here till it reach 165 degrees. I'll catch y'all in a few. All right, my timer's going off. We sitting at 165 degrees. It's time to take this chicken off, let it rest for about 15 minutes, and you know what time it is. Catch you in a second. All right, y'all, take a look at that right there. Got that Asian Korean style smoked chicken. Take a look at that. Got that sweet and spicy Korean, that super bird, that lemon pepper stepper. Man, it don't get no better than this. Take a look at this. Look at this. Smoked all the way through. Man, it don't get no better than this. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. Once again, my name is Trey. Hey, it's time to eat.